This is why you need a budget even when in financial crisis. Your budget is your money plan. The first step to take control of your financial situation is to understand exactly where your money is going and to start telling it where to go. Listen, the plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely haste leads to poverty. That's Proverbs 21 verses 5. So, stop rushing to use your money without a plan when you receive it. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail and slide into poverty. But here is the truth. If you don't budget for your money, you'll always wonder where it went. You need to develop a budget to track your income and your expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and give you more control over your finances by helping you avoid overspending on unnecessary items. You will be able to differentiate between needs and wants and prioritize your spending accordingly. If in financial crisis and having had time to make ends meet, take care of your four walls first. This includes food, utilities, shelter, and transportation, in that order. Then, if you have some extra money left over, prioritize the rest of your expenses after those first four walls are taken care of. During tough times, you have to prioritize your expenses for the best results. Don't ever pay a debt before you buy food. Pause paying extra on debts and save money while you weather the financial storm. Once your income stabilizes, you can resume working on the 10 steps to financial freedom. It's important to remember that a budget isn't meant to limit your freedom, but rather to create financial stability and growth. It helps you understand your income and expenditure, prioritize your spending and savings, and it can be adjusted over time as your financial situation changes. So, create a solid money plan and follow it. That's the way out of your financial problems. Be responsible and accountable, because adults devise a plan and follow it, while children do what feels good. Now, let me help you create a solid money plan like a pro. Get your budget template below and take charge of your money.